Super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm excited to present to you one website that you can use to make a little bit of side income in your spare time. Right. Before I give you the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money using the power of the internet. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If it is your desire to learn how you can leverage the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Right? Yes, my friend, I'm going to show you a website that you're going to use to make a little bit of side income, doing little tasks in your spare time. This is not going to make you rich. You're not going to make a fortune doing these little tasks, but it's a good way to dip your feet in the waters as you test the waters of making money on the internet. All right, stick with me to the end because I'm going to show you a bonus way which you can use to earn money passively. Without wasting any more time, my friend, let me just take you to the site. The website is called Feature Points. It says, get rewarded, make money and earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and many more. You can use your Facebook credentials, login credentials, right, to sign up on this site. Or you can use your Google login details to sign up on this website. Or you can just go straight away, throw in your email address right there and click that one, check that box to prove that you are not a robot. And then you continue. We're going to make money with a few different activities on this site. Doing surveys, do offers, wins, download apps, share with a friend. Click surveys, and then you can unlock some points right here. So if I click that button, I unlock 500 points right now, just answering few questions. Then I can unlock some more surveys once I'm done with that. All right. So they unlock more surveys for you as you go step by step. I'll talk about points, more about points in a minute. Okay. Right. You can do offers. Offer Toro earns you 3,000 points, right? If I click that one, it gives me some activities to do, right? And then I unlock 3,000 points. You can do wins, instant win contests, scratch to win 50,000 points instantly, available only on the Feature Points app. Download the app on your Android phone or on your Apple device or Android device. Right? It says now win 63,000 points, earn tokens from apps, surveys, and cashback. Earn 1 token from every 20 points you earn. Enter every day for the best chance to win. So you can also watch previous winners there. The other way you're going to earn points is by downloading apps. Right. So you download some apps on your device. Download and open for 2 minutes to earn points. So you download some apps for just 2 minutes, right? And then you earn some points. The Instagram one, free download, 250 points. That one, 200. That one, 150. That one, 100, and many more. All right. So try free apps, get rewards, send a link to my email, right? You need that link in your email address. And so you have to use a good email address on this website, okay? Because they'll be sending you that link so that you can be able to download those apps. Okay. Get unlimited free points. Earn up to 50% of points your friends earn. All right. Your referral code, you can edit it right there. Your referral link to share. Right, this is like an affiliate link. If you send this link to your friend and they come on Feature Points through that link, you are going to earn 50% of the points these people, your friends, are going to earn. Right? That's a fantastic referral program that you can capitalize on. Okay? So you can share your link on Facebook, on Twitter, and you send it right straight to their email. The other thing is you can share your own custom video. Get a custom video with your referral code and share with your friends. Earning 25% of your referral points. Refer another 3 people and you earn 50% of all points your referral earn. Let your friends earn points for you. You earn every time your friends earn points with feature points. You get paid for every app they download, the survey they complete, and cashback purchase they make. Sign them up now before somebody else does. Okay, you earn from all the points your friends earn forever. Now, I'm going to show you how you are going to cash out your points. You've got some choices right here. You can use gift cards, you can use cash, you can use Bitcoin. Right, so these are the gift cards that you can use. You've got the Apple one, iTunes, Amazon, Google Play, PlayStation, Starbucks, Xbox, right? So, and many more. And these points really accrue very fast. Look at the other choices that you have right here. All sorts. Right? The other option you have is to get cash. You can get cash into a PayPal account. So if you don't have PayPal account, my friend, it's free. You can just go to paypal.com and sign up for a free personal account. It's free, okay? And you can get $100 right there. Your payment will be sent to your account email address. So make sure your email that you use to sign up for feature points, make sure that that's your PayPal email address. So the other choice you have is the Visa gift card. And the other one now is the Bitcoin. You want to find out what sort of reviews are on this site. What are the people using it, or those who have used this site? What are they saying and what did they say? Okay, 115,000 people left their reviews. And the score is 4.3 stars out of 5. That's a fantastic score, that one, my friend. Make money and earn rewards on your phone by trying free apps, completing surveys, shopping online, and more. We've paid out over 5.8 million US dollars in rewards since 2012. Okay, use your points to get rewards, including PayPal, Cash, Amazon, Google Play, Steam, and many more. So this is the website that I promised you, my friend, that you can use to make a little bit of side income. And like I said, it's not going to make you rich, but you see, it's a good starting point to learn how you can leverage the power of the internet to make money. But you see, the only downside about this website is that it's active income, right? You are actively involved in downloading the apps, in doing the surveys, and many other activities that you do on this website. Let me just give you a cool announcement, my friend, that you see it's possible to earn passively. The opposite of active is passive, right? Passive means you can earn money on autopilot. You can earn money whilst you are asleep. You can earn money whilst you are traveling on vacation. You can earn money whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your family, with your husband, with your wife, with those close to you, right? You can earn money whilst you are visiting the remote places that you desired to visit from a long time ago. And that's passive income, right? I've got a link in the description which says my #1 recommendation to make money online on AutoPilot. Click the link. If you found value in this video, my friend, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later.